put yellow here. Gamay lang ng yellow. O, lantaw ha. O, that's enough. Gamay lang ganito. O, ay pa nga. Dali mo pag ka mix. O, i-mix din Nathan ang yellow and red. O, come on. Gamay lang to. Oh, sige. Oh, lantaw. Next again. Miss, ito yung gamay. Oh, ito yung gamay lang. Oh, what color is this? Blue and yellow. Gamay lang kayo. Okay. Oh, that's enough. And then look. Aaron, Pungko, please. Oh. Put yellow and blue together. What color comes out?